in food service before. But like, bro, your job is to fucking scoop my damn chicken into a bowl.
You're not that guy,
Hurry the
pal.
fuck up.
his cock out.
You're not that guy.
Who's pulling the dick out? Who's pulling the dick out?
What's up, Jeff?
Whose dick is in their hand right now? What's going on, gents?
You know, what the fuck?
I stalled on my way to the mall. It was funny as fuck.
Which mall did you go